Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening taskbar settings directly. Right-click an empty taskbar area and select Taskbar Settings. This gives you the controls to show or hide icons and system tray elements. Once done, make sure Windows is up to date because newer builds add toggles for corner overflow and chat. If you're on a standard account, most options still work. Admin rights aren't required for visibility changes. Follow the visible sections, labeled Taskbar Items and Taskbar Corner Overflow, to begin configuring what shows on screen. Next, focus on the detailed configuration in those sections. Under Taskbar Items, toggle Search, Widgets, Chat, and Task View to quickly control major elements. Then open Taskbar Corner Overflow to choose which system icons like clock, network, or volume appear. Turning off overflow pins them directly to the bar. You can also drag running app icons to reorder them, or right-click apps and choose Pin to Taskbar to keep them visible. This step customizes both persistent and active windows for immediate access. To finish, review your choices in Settings Personalization taskbar and confirm the arrangement looks right. If changes don't appear, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and restart. This often forces the taskbar to refresh. Make sure to sign out and back in if icons still misbehave. One key troubleshooting tip: if the taskbar remains wrong, run Windows Update and install pending updates. Corrupted taskbar behavior is frequently fixed by the latest cumulative patch or by...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.